Question 1. What are the main features of Java? The first one is object oriented. Everything in Java is object. It supports object oriented programming concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Second, it is platform independent. It means Java is designed to be platform independent at both the source and the binary level. And this is achieved through the Java Virtual Machine JVM, which allows Java to run or execute it on any device or the operating system that has a JVM. The slogan "Write once and run anywhere" captures this feature. Next, it is very simple. It is designed to be easy to learn and use. It has a straightforward syntax similar to C and C++, but with the fewer low-level facilities and more robust memory management systems. It is secure. Java provides a secure environment for developing and running applications. It includes the features such as bytecode verification, sandboxing, and cryptography to protect against security threats. Java's strong memory management and error handling makes it one of the most robust programming language. It is multi-threaded. Java has inbuilt support for multi-threaded programming, allowing developers to write programs that can perform many tasks simultaneously. Just-in-time and the other optimization techniques have been used to increase the performance of Java. And the last one is a strong community. Java has a large and active community, which means extensive documentation, wealth of libraries, and the frameworks such as Spring, Hibernate. Question number 2. What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? JDK, it stands for Java Development Kit. It's a full development kit for creating the Java application. It includes JRE and the development tools. If you are a developer, you will need it to write, compile, and debug your Java applications. Next, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. It is the runtime environment for executing or running the Java application. It includes JVM and libraries. The last one is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is a virtual machine that interprets and executes Java bytecode. It abstracts the underlying hardware and operating system, providing the platform independence. It is a part of both JDK and JRE. It ensures that Java applications runs the same way on any platform. Question number 3. What is a garbage collection in Java? Garbage collection is an automatic memory management process. It finds and discards the objects that are no longer needed by application. It frees up the memory space. In this way, developers don't really need to worry about the memory management and they don't need to manually manage the memory. It reduces the risk of memory leaks and the pointers errors that are there in C++, and they can focus more on the logic and the product development rather than the memory. Question number 4. What is the difference between an abstract class and an interface? An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated. It means we cannot create the object of abstract class. It can have the combination of both abstract method without any body plus the concrete method which will have the implementation and the body. On the other hand, interface can have only the abstract method and the constant, which are the final fields. From Java 8, it's possible to have the default as well as the static methods. The major difference we need to remember here, a class can extend only one abstract class, but it can implement multiple interfaces. Question number 5. What is a constructor in Java? Constructor is used for initializing the object. It has the same name as that of class, no return types, and it is called when the object is actually created. Constructor can be default with no parameters, or they can be parameterized. It can have the multiple parameters. So this way we can overload to allow the different ways of initializing the objects. Question number 6. What is the difference between double equal operator and dot equals method in Java? Double equal operator is used to compare the references of two objects. It checks if two references are pointing to the same object in the memory location. However, dot equals method is used to compare the content of two objects. It checks if the content of two objects is equal or not. Question number 7. What is the final keyword in Java? Final keyword can be used for a variable, a method, or a class. When applied to a variable, it indicates that its value cannot be changed once initialized. We can create a constant using the final keyword for variables. When applied to a method, we cannot override the method from the superclass. And when we apply final keyword to class, it prevents the other classes from extending it. We cannot create a subclass of the final classes. Question number 8. What is method overloading and method overriding in Java? Method overloading, we can have the multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, so different signature in the same class. On the other hand, method overriding, we are going to provide a specific implementation of a method which is already available in the superclass. Question number 9. What is the difference between StringBuilder and StringBuffer in Java? StringBuilder, they are not synchronized, but they are faster compared to the StringBuffer. As they are not synchronized, it's not good for the multi-threaded environment, but you can use it for the single-threaded environment. On the other hand, StringBuffer, they are synchronized. Because of the synchronization, they are slow in performance, but very good when we are going to use in the multi-threaded environment because they are thread safe. Question number 10. What is the use of this keyword in Java? This keyword refers to the current instance of a class. It is primarily used to refer to the instance variable and differentiate between the local variable and the instance variable. We can use this to invoke the constructor, pass the current object, and return the current object from methods.